Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm Manar from Morocco, and in today's video I'll react to a video you suggested me. So in this folder I have all the videos you suggested me, and as you see there are so many, and I cannot do all of them at once, so I'll be doing all of them inshallah one by one. Alright, so in this video I'll react to a new song about Multan. From the title I suppose that it's not gonna be in Urdu, maybe in the local language spoken in Multan, which I don't understand. But anyway, let's start the video.
मरी ना सवात ना कगान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो।
मरी ना सवात ना कगान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो।
तेरे कोलू पल भी ना वख रहना है,
प्यार तेरा सोने वे मेरा गिना है।
तेरे बिना जीना नहीं हो चंगा लगदा,
जग तो नहीं डरना मैं सच कहना है।
बन के हमेशा जिंद जान मिल सो,
जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो।
मरी ना सवात ना कगान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो। कदरा तू ढोला मेरे प्यार दिया जान,
वसे वे तू सोना तेरा वसे मुल्तान।
इश्क तेरे दे विच रंग गया,
हो तेरे मस्त मलंग गया।
जुड़ जुड़ बासू जडान मिल सू,
जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो।
मरी ना सवात ना कगान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो, जिंदे रहते ढोला मुल्तान मिल सो।
Very nice song. Thank you so much for suggesting me this song. It's very nice. The music is very nice, and the singer's voice is very nice, especially the female singer's voice is very soft and very nice. I really enjoyed this song. The only words I understood are Mari, Sawat, Kagan, Multan and that's it. But anyway, I think that it's a song about the city of Multan, describing the beauty of the city and something like this, I guess. And I know that the language spoken in Multan is not Punjabi, but I don't know why it sounds like Punjabi for me. It was sounding like Punjabi. I still don't really know the difference, but it was sounding like Punjabi. I don't know why, but anyway, I really like this song. It's very nice, and thank you so much once again for suggesting me this song. And as I said, I will be doing all the videos you suggested me. Just give me some time and be patient, and I will be doing all the videos you suggested me one by one. And thank you so much for watching, for supporting, and see you in the next video. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.